Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBlocks Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the badge of your Instagram profile of the badge of threads here. So if you created a threads account under your Instagram account here, you just need to go to your profile here, and here you will see option called add and the number here. So this is the number of the serial number of when you created your threads app here. So if you want to remove this or hide this thread badge here, you just need to tap on it, and here you can find hide badge option here. So this is only temporary. This temporary badge lets your followers know you're on threads. So this will also be removed from this, but if you really want to hide this badge, just tap on hide badge, and once you remove this badge, you cannot add it back to your profile. So once you remove it, you cannot have back it. So you just have to tap on remove badge, and this will remove the badge of the threads app in the profile of your Instagram account here. So that's it guys, this is how you can remove the badge, threads badge in your Instagram profile. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.